Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. And guys, we got ourselves a good one here today. We are going to be talking about the trial today, Donald Trump trial. For those of you that don't know what's been going on, well, Donald Trump has been in trial here over hush money charges, and we are going to be talking about the case today because it ended. The verdict is here. So we are going to be talking about this. So I hope you guys all enjoy it, like, subscribe, and I'm super excited to talk about this here today. And one thing I do want to be completely transparent about is we are not going to be political. We're not going to be talking about if you should vote for Donald Trump or Joe Biden. We are going to be talking about the case and this news article here by Business Insider, which is a very reputable news source. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys have any questions, you are more than welcome to ask down below, but let's jump into this here. So Trump's trial verdict. The jury finds ex-president guilty on all counts in hush money case. The Manhattan juror in Donald Trump's hush money trial has reached a verdict. He was found guilty of all 34 felony counts related to hush money payment to Stormy Daniels. The verdict follows the first ever criminal trial of a former American president. As we continue to go down, this is why we are getting so much news talk, is because of this right here. It's the juror in the Trump's historic trial found him guilty of 34 felony counts of falsifying business records to cover up a $130,000 hush money payment to adult film actor Stormy Daniels just 11 days before the 2016 election. As we continue to go down, what they talk about is kind of how he was reacting. Trump sat still after the verdict was read with his hands in his lap looking forward. As the jurors filled into the courtroom, none of them looked at him, and we can just continue to go through this. And the juror foreman stood leaning with his left hand on the wooden bar in front of the juror seat in almost a casual posture as he read guilty for each count. He said guilty 34 times. Now, after they completed reading the verdict, several of the 12 jurors appeared relieved, even smiling. Others seemed grim, as if strucken by the significance of what they have just done. Because people don't realize that this is the first ever trial of something of this magnitude, of a, pretty much a former president and a possible new president, right? Because he plans on running for this upcoming election. So this is why this case is so important, is because this could swing voters one way or the other, whether you want to vote for Trump or you want to vote for Biden. This case plays a huge factor of that. So let's continue to go through here. So, all right. As a judge, New York Supreme Court Justice Juan Merchan announced a July 11th sentencing date. Trump's eyes closed his eyes as if he'd gone through much of the trial here. So that's what's going on here. All they do is pretty much kind of talk about this here of what happened. I'll put this down below and you guys are more than willing to read it. It's just a lot of just kind of what's going on, of what happened and all that stuff. I don't think it's appropriate for YouTube and other media sites. So let's go through here. And I do want to show you one other thing, because I do think it is important here. And this is that Trump still has 3 remaining criminal cases. So this is important as well. So he got one of them done, and he still has 3 remaining. So 2 of them are in Washington, D.C. and Georgia, are over his efforts to overturn results of the 2020 presidential election. There is another in Florida, concerns of him taking classified government documents after his presidency. So that is what's going on. And obviously, with that announcement here, for those of you that don't know, he owns Trump Media here. And you guys can see that after hours, it did sell off about 6%. It's just a volatile company, a volatile thing here. And obviously, all of these news articles here are going to be talking about it here. But guys, let me know down below what you guys think about this, because it is crazy, and I didn't want to get too political. I just wanted to touch on some key topics and some things you guys should know. So I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of your day, and take care.